dumpster rental service in Grand Rapids Metropolitan Area. When managing waste efficiently, we believe that every project, big or small, deserves a reliable solution. On-Time Dumpsters provides dependable dumpster rental service in Grand Rapids Metropolitan Area that is tailored to meet your needs. Whether you're cleaning out a garage, renovating your home, or managing a construction site, our roll-off dumpsters make cleanup simple and stress-free. We take pride in offering prompt delivery and pickup, ensuring your timeline stays on track. Our dumpsters come in various sizes, making it easy to choose the one that's just right for your project. No need to worry about hidden fees. We believe in upfront, transparent pricing, so you know exactly what to expect. Our team is dedicated to keeping your space clean and organized, so you can focus on what matters most. We also work hard to ensure our services are environmentally responsible by disposing of waste properly and recycling when possible. Our customer service is second to none, from the first call to the final pickup. We understand that you need a company that's both professional and flexible, and that's precisely what we bring to every job. Call us today at 616-460-9554. Let us help you keep your project running smoothly with top-tier dumpster rental services. We're here to make cleanup convenient, cost-effective, and most importantly, on time.